this is the live focus video with the rear camera. Now I want to see how good this quality is with this overall, blurring out the background, having me in focus. How is it on my hair? How is it on everything? Let me know in the comment section down below. And now we'll try it with the color pop. All right guys, now we are doing the color pop. I love this feature because basically it makes me stand out. It makes your main subject stand out by having everything else look black and white and having you in color. It's a really, really great feature and one that I definitely love to have, and I love this of time of flight sensors. It gives you this ability to be able to do it, and it does it very well. Or let me know in the comment section how well you think it does, and if you can see this being a feature you would use in your Instagram, social media, or which way you use video. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.